Physics 12th chapter Electrostatics charge. The property of any object by virtue of which it apply electrostatic force on the of interaction on other object is called charge. Quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. Charge on any object can be integral multiple of a smallest charge where n equal to 1, 2, 3. Charge on one electron is 1.6 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Minus 19 coulomb is charge on one electron. Conservation of charges. Charge can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transferred from one object to another object. Coulomb's law. Electrostatic force or attraction between two stationary charges is directly proportional to charges and inversely proportional of square of distance f equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 upon r square, where q1 q2 are point charge, r is distance, epsilon 0 is permittivity of free space. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 equal to 9 multiplied 10 raised to power Newton meter square per coulomb square. Epsilon, value of epsilon 0 is 8.85 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 12. If there is another medium between point charge except air, vacuum, then epsilon 0 is replaced by epsilon 0 key or epsilon 0 r or epsilon only key or epsilon 0 as called dielectric constant or relative permittivity of the medium. K equal to er equal to epsilon upon epsilon 0. For air K equal to 1, for water K equal to 81, for metal K equal to infinity. Electric field, the space in the surrounding of any charge in which its influence can be experienced by another charge is called electric field. Electric field lines. An electric field line is an imaginary line or curve drawn through a region of space so that its tangent at any point is in the direction of electric field vector at that point. Electric field intensity, the electrostatic force acting unit positive charge on a point in electric field. Intensity in the electric field, intensity at that point is called intensity at that point. E equal to limit q tends to 0 f upon q 0. electric field intensity is called CA. It's called the electrostatic force acting per unit positive charge on a point in electric field is called electric field intensity at that point. Electric field intensity equal to limit q tends to power 0 E upon q 0. Electric potential work done per unit charge in carrying it from infinity to that point in the electric field is called electric potential. P equal to W upon Q. Potential gradient, the rate of change of the potential with distance in electric field is called potential gradient. Potential gradient equal to dV upon upon dr. E equal to minus dV upon dr. Electric field lines of force. Electric field lines of the force are the imaginary lines drawn in the electric field at which a positive charge will move if it is free to do so. Gauss theorem. The electric flux over any closed surface is 1 upon epsilon 0 times the total charge enclosed by that surface. Phi equal to integral E dot dA equal to Q upon epsilon 0. All these learning the students of 12th class theory. Numericals are done separately. This is very important theory. All the students of 12th class have to learn the theory of chapter 1st, electrostatics.